Very good morning to all of you present over here. In the last class, we had discussed about the baby curve method to solve the any given inequality. And what was the baby curve method? Going to be explained one more time. In inequality, and there are some problem I'm going to just discuss today. Okay, in front of you, we have to just concentrate it onto the board and write down all the question onto the copy. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Let's start with the questions. Given that first one, x minus 1 less than or equals to 0. As you know very well that according to the wavy curve, what was the wavy curve going to be explained one more time. Here in the inequality in right side must be 0, first thing. And second thing is that the coefficient of higher power of x in left side is always positive. Now, what was the first step? Going to be solve the first question, just say onto the board. First step was if these two condition is going to be satisfied, then after that we have to just put left hand side. This is the first step. Left hand side is equals to 0. When you put left hand side equals to 0, what we get? X minus 1 equals to 0. So we get the value of x is equals to what? 1. This one. By this way we get the value of x is equals to 1 over here now. After that the second step. What was the second step? Put solution on number line. We have to just put the solution on number line. So यहाँ पे जो solution आया है that will be x equals to 1. So we have to put x equals to 1 onto the number line. Everyone, when you put at the place of x equals to 1 onto the number line, just see onto the board. We get like this one. Now step number 3, draw wavy curve. Step number 3 was draw wavy curve. Wavy curve draw करेंगे. And how do we draw the wavy curve? Right to rightmost solution. जैसा कि नोट्स में दिया था, कल बताया भी था. Right to rightmost solution and above to the number line. Okay, everyone? Right to rightmost solution, above to number line when we talk about, then we have to just start from here. This is plus infinity and this is minus infinity. When you start from the right to rightmost solution, this wavy curve going to just comes like this one. And when we get the solution onto the number line, then wavy curve will pass through that. Once pass karega. And after that, there are no any solution onto the number line. So it will be passed up to minus infinity. Okay, everyone? So going to be terminate at minus infinity. Now, what we have to see? Here we are seeing that there are two portion into the wavy curve. कुछ portion number line से ऊपर है और कुछ portion wavy curve का number line से क्या है? नीचे है. So that portion which is above to the number line will gives the solution for inequality greater than or equal or only greater than. क्या difference है दोनों में? Here in greater or equals to we have to apply the close interval, and here in greater only we have to apply the open interval small bracket. Okay, and the portion below to number line, this is the portion below to number line over here, which gives the solution for the inequality less than or equals to or only less than. It's okay to all of you. Now here in the given question, inequality have the lesser sign, so that's why we have to take the portion below to the number line, this one, and write the solution from left to right. When we write the solution from left to right, what we get? Minus infinity to 1, this one over here. So minus infinity to 1 is the required solution over here. Minus infinity, always we have to apply the open interval, and according to the inequality, when inequality के साथ equality होता है, then we have to apply the close interval. So that's why here we are going to just apply the close interval on 1. So this is the required solution of this given inequality. Okay to all of you, just write down onto your copy, everyone. Yes, any problem to anyone?
No, sir.
No,
Very
sir.
good, students. So by this way we can solve such type of inequality by using wavy curve method. Okay to all of you. So here I am going to just discuss second question also onto the board. You have to just see. I am going to explain all the question written over here. So let us see the question number second now, and how do we solve this question? Just see onto the board, everyone. Here the question number second is x plus 2 less than or equals to 0. This one. Now here what we have to see, we have to just see that whether the inequality have the quantity right side 0 or not, 0 have, and the coefficient of higher power of x positive or not have. Now first step is that we have to just put left hand side equals to 0. When I put left hand side equals to 0, we get x plus 2 equals to 0. So we get x is equals to -2. So x की value -2 आ जाएगा. Now what is the second step? Put solution on number line. We have to just put solution on number line over here. When we put the solution on number line, then what we get? We have to just put -2. Only one solution is there. Then we have to put anywhere onto the number line like this. Minus infinity is over here, plus infinity is over here. Now we have to draw the wavy curve right to rightmost solution and about to number line from this side. Then solution is onto the number line. Then wavy curve will pass through this. Pass करेगा फिर ऐसे आप solution नहीं है, so it's going to be terminated at minus infinity. Now there are two portions above to number line and this one is below to number line. According to the inequality, lesser sign is there. So that's why we have to take the portion below to the number line over here. And when we take the portion below to the number line over here, then in this condition we get the solution. Solution will equals to what? Beta? Left to right we have to write minus infinity always open interval. Inequality के साथ इक्वालिटी था इसलिए square bracket. That's why we have to write square bracket over here. So by this way we get the solution of this inequality, which is minus infinity to -2. Okay to all of you? Yes, students. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Question? Any confusion?
Clear.
Any confusion?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Good, beta, good.
Clear हो गया.
Next question, sir.
Okay, okay, beta. Now we will discuss the question number 3 over here. Just see, write down. Question number 3. Question number 3 is x into x minus 1 greater than or equals to 0. Now just see the condition. Right side 0 is over here. Coefficient of higher power x after opening the bracket positive ही मिलेगा. So we have to just put left hand side is equals to 0 now. When you put left hand side equals to 0 over here, what we get? X into x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we get x is equals to 0 as well as x equals to 1. Now just see under the board. There are two solutions now. And after that, we have to put solution on number line. Put solution on number line. So here we have to just put the solution onto the number line. When you put the solution on number line, what we get? Here 0 and here we get 1 now. It's okay, all of you? After drawing the wavy curve, just listen carefully. Right to rightmost solution and above to number line. And from there, we have to just draw. Solution is there. Will wavy curve will pass through this one. फिर आगे बढ़ेगा. Again, solution is over here. So that's why wavy curve must be passed through this. Now there are no any solution onto the number line. So going to be terminated at minus infinity and coming from plus infinity. We get the wavy curve like this now. Okay, everyone. Now what is the inequality sign over here? Inequality sign of greater. So we have to take the portion above to number line. This one. And what is this? Minus infinity to 0. Just listen carefully. Here we have to apply small and here we have to apply the square bracket. And one more solution is there. From 1 to where? Infinity, small, and here this one. We have to write the both inequality. So we have to write the combination of these two solution, and for combining any two interval, किसी भी दो इंटरवल को कंबाइन करने के लिए इस सिंबल u का यूज करते हैं. We have to use the symbol u to combine any two given interval. So here we have to just use u, and this u is nothing. This is union, basically union, and it is used to combine any two given interval in mathematics. It means combine to any given two set. Basically solution होता क्या है? Set होता है. And when we talk about the set, to combine them, we have to use the union. It means u symbol. Write down over here. So by this way, we can solve such type of question. Okay. One more time going to be explained. Here we have to put left hand side 0, x equals to 0. After putting x minus 1 equals to 0, we get x equals to 1. Now put solution onto the number line. 0 is smaller, 1 is larger. So we have to put like this one. Now draw the wavy curve above to number line and starting from right to rightmost solution. यहाँ से start करते हुए draw. After that, what we get? We have to just draw, and again there is a solution. So wavy curve must be passed through this and passing like this one and going to be terminated at minus infinity. Now here inequality is of greater, so that's why we have to take the portion above to number line. So there are two portions which is above to the number line of the wavy curve. First one is this one and second one is this one. So we have to write the solution as minus infinity to 0, first one, and also we have to just combine this one solution also 1 to infinity, and to combine the both interval we have to use the union which is between both intervals simply. Okay, to all of you, just write down onto your copy. Okay, students, now let us see the question of 4 going to be explained. How do we solve the question of 4? Onto the board going to be explained. Yes, such type question also you had seen into your quadratic equation portion of the class 10. X square minus 9 greater than 0. This one. This one inequality is over here. Again, right side we have 0, and here the coefficient of higher power of x is positive. Now we have to do, we have to just put left hand side is equals to what? 0. We have to just put left hand side equals to 0. So what we get from here? So we get x square minus 9 equals to 0. This implies that x square equals to 9. So we get x is equals to not only 3 plus minus 3. We get the value of x plus minus 3. It means x is equals to 3 as well as minus 3. Right on. Students, now the second step, we have to put the solution onto the number line. The smaller one is minus 3 and larger one is plus 3. We have to put over here and draw the wavy curve above to the number line, everyone, and starting from right to rightmost solution from this side. Wavy curve going to be just drawn. After that, solution is over here. It must be passes through this and going okay up to minus infinity. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. There are two portions, some are above to the number line and some are below to number line. According to the inequality, here greater sign is there. So that's why we have to take the portion above to number line, this one. So this one gives the solution minus infinity to minus 3. Which one interval is going to be applied? Now यहाँ पे inequality के साथ equality नहीं है. So that's why we have to apply the open interval. It means small bracket over here. It's okay to all of you? When we apply the small bracket, now we get the first solution like this, and second solution, what we get? 3 to infinity, this one. We have to apply the open interval, and then we have to apply the union between both the solutions. So by this way, we get the solution of this inequality. Right on, everyone. So by this way, we can solve such type of inequality by using wavy curve method. It's okay to all of you? So write down. This is for the solution of question number 4. Okay, everyone. Now let us see the question number 4 over here, written onto the board. Question number 4, everyone. Question number 4 is question number 5. 5 is x square minus 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 0. This one. We have to put over here what beta? Left hand side is equals to 0. When you put left hand side equals to 0, we get x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So we can write it as x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. We have to factorize x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. So we get the factor x minus 3 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So we get from here x equals to 3 and x equals to 1. This one. Right on, everyone. After obtaining this solution, we have to just put onto the number line. And when we put the onto the number line, what we get? 1 and 3 over here. 1 is smaller, 3 is larger. We have to draw the baby curve above to number line, starting from right to rightmost solution. Now again a solution, so baby curve must be passed through this and going towards minus infinity and coming from plus infinity. Here the inequality sign is of lesser. So that's why we have to take the portion below to the number line, and it is from 1 to 3. So we have to just write the solution and from 1 to 3 and apply the closed interval, because here inequality with equality is given. So that's why we have to use the closed interval. So by this way we get the solution like closed interval 1 to 3. Okay, everyone. So by this way we can solve any given mathematical inequality. Okay, everyone. So write down. Student, going to be explained one more time. Just see. Inequality is x square minus 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 0. It is given. Right side में 0 होना चाहिए. Already 0 is over here, and in this side coefficient of higher power of x is positive. सही है. After that, what we have to just put left hand side equals to 0. When you put left hand side equals to 0, what we get? X square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. This one. X square minus 4x plus 3, when factorize it by using the middle term splitting method, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals to 0 we get. So we can write it as in factor x minus 3 into x minus 1 equals to 0. One time when we put x minus 3 equals to 0, we get x equals to 3. X minus 1 equals to 0, we get x equals to 1. There are two solutions, 1 and 3. Now we have to put the solution 1 and 3 onto the number line. So 1 is the smaller, so comes on left side. 3 is larger, we have to just put on right side of the one. और जो solution आएगा, we have to put only those solution, और बाकी कुछ और नहीं put करना है आपको. Okay. Now after putting, what we get, everyone, just see over here. This one baby curve is going to be obtained now. Now here the inequality sign is of lesser ना, तो जब भी lesser होगा, बता रखा है, जब भी greater होगा तो above वाले portion को हमें suppose करना है, और जब भी lesser होगा तो below वाले portion को हमें क्या करना है, ठीक है, देखना है जहां से हमें solution मिलेगा. So here inequality is of lesser, so that's why we have to see the portion below to the number line over here. And when we see the portion below to the number line over here, then this is from 1 to 3. Always left to right we have to write. So we get 1 to 3, and inequality के साथ equality था यहाँ पे, so that's why we have to apply the closed interval. As you know very well that the concept of interval already taught. Okay, so we have to just write the solution like this one. So this one is the question from your homework sheet. Okay, I am explaining over here, so be concentrated on this. Now next, going to be just talk about question number last one, 6th one. X square minus 4x, let this is less than or equals to 0. Going to explain this one, let it. X square minus 4x less than or equals to 0. So what we get from here, we have to just put left hand side equals to 0. When you put left hand side equals to 0, what we get? X square minus 4x is equals to 0. So we get from here, x is going to be common, so we left with x into x minus 4 equals to 0. Hence now we get from here x is equals to 0 and x is equals to what beta? 4. ये दो solution आ गए. After that we have to put the solution onto the number line. 0 4 आ जाएंगे. After that we have to draw the baby curve from right to rightmost solution and go to number line. ये draw हो गया like this. Baby curve must be passed through the all solution onto the number line. Start हुआ, solution आया, pass किया, फिर आगे बढ़ा, फिर solution आ गया, यहाँ से pass करेगा, फिर after that moving up to minus infinity, कहाँ से आता plus infinity से. Here the same inequality is of lesser sign, so we have to take this portion below to number line. So below to number line कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 0 से लेकर के 4 तक. So we have to just apply the closed interval because inequality have equality side also. So that's why we get the solution of such type of inequality, and these are the inequality of type 1. Okay, everyone. So you have to just solve all the questions provided by me based on this. Some more questions I will discuss, and there are different type of questions based on over here. जैसे कि अगर मान लो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ 5 पावर ऑफ x नेगेटिव हो जाए, then how to be solved. Okay, so such type question also going to be asked, and we will discuss in the further next class. Okay, everyone. So thank you so much. Let's see. everyone. If we get the question like this one, let's see over here. The 6th number question: x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 less than or equal to. We want to solve this question. Yes, it may be possible that if there are more than 2-3 factors are come over here, so we have to just solve by same way. Here each factor have the coefficient of x positive, so we have to just put left hand side equals to 0. When you put left hand side equals to 0, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. Now what we get from here? Now we get from here x is equals to 0. From this x minus 1 0 करेंगे तो x 1 आ जाएगा. X minus 2 0 करेंगे, then we get x equals to 2. So we get these 3 solution. Now put the solution onto the number line 0, 1 and 2 like this. Now draw the wavy curve from right to rightmost solution. Pass करेगा जहाँ solution आएगा. And after that again solution is over here, must be passed through this. Again solution is over here, must be passed through this. So we get the wavy curve like this one now. And here the symbol of inequality is of lesser. So we have to take the portion below to number line. तो ये दो portion number line के नीचे आएंगे wavy curve के. So we get the solution line minus infinity to 0. Inequality के साथ equality है. So that's why it's square bracket. And this solution is from 1 to 2. We have to apply square bracket and use union. It means u between both. So by this way we get the solution of such type of inequalities. Okay everyone, thank you so much.